Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the cute little Squishmallow Owen the owl. He's a little green owl, and I think he's just super cute. So let's get started with the same kind of basic shape that most Squishmallows have. So it's just kind of, I always say it reminds me of a chicken nugget kind of shape. So we can draw that like that. And now Owen has they're almost like horns, but they're just not horns. Or you know what? Maybe they are. Okay, so we've got two little pieces like that. And now we can do a little, almost like a little V shape right here. And then curve on both sides. And kind of come in a little bit. See, we're coming inward there. And now we're going to go outward again. And come along the bottom here. And there we go, we've got the inside there. Now here, underneath this little V point, a little bit right here, we can do an upside down triangle for the beak. And we can do two circles, so one right here and another right here. These are going to be the eyes. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3 little eyelashes. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do a few little spots like this, like little ovals. Kind of helps give the feeling of feathers here for Owen the owl. Just a few of these all over. And you don't have to put them exactly where I put them. You can put them wherever. Okay, so we've got Owen all drawn. I think so far looking adorable. And now I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, so we are finished drawing Owen the owl. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!